The name of this tutorial says it all. This is for those of you who want to quickly get started and make a movie. First of all, you'll go to the Import button. This will open up an import window. It will allow you to search your Finder for the movies that you want. Let's select this movie. We can hold down the Command key, select another movie. And there are two currently selected. You can see they're in blue. Press the import selected. Those two clips are coming in. You can see one there and one here. We will now go to the create button. We'll create a movie. In this case, we will go for no themes. We will do a themes one in a minute. So double click on no themes. Give it a name, or just select it, or just accept my movie. And there are the two clips in the event library. We can now select the footage that we want out of those clips by hovering to the point where we want to start the movie. Click and hold and then drag, and you can see that the yellow is moving. And in the right hand viewer you can see the frame that you're selecting. Click the plus button. Now go and select some more movie. We're hovering, click and hold and drag and press the plus button. You can also go to some of your footage, and instead of clicking and holding, you can press the I key and move further down and press the O key and then press the plus button. And if we look down in our timeline now, we can see those three clips that we've selected. If we want to add a title to this, select the titles. Let's select the drifting subtitle. Click on that and drag it down to the timeline. We can click on that and then go to the adjust and select the T for text. Change the font. Select here and change the color of the text. Change the font again to something more suitable. We can add music by going to iTunes and selecting the music we want to play. By hovering, we can click on that music, press the little play button. Let's select that piece of music now. We can simply double click the music here and drag it down to where we want it to be in the timeline. Select another piece of music. Double click it, press the plus button, and that will bring it down into the timeline at wherever the playhead is located. You can double up on the music. You can have a number of audio tracks. You can only have one video track. And that is your movie. Title, music, background. Now you've created the movie, we can now go and export it. We'll go to the share menu here. We can export it to an iTunes if we want, selecting the size, checking on what applications it's compatible with. You can also send it to Facebook, YouTube, or to email. We'll look at theatre in one of our tutorials. So for now, let's send it as a file. We would be able to select again the size, and then we could name it and decide where on our hard disk we want it to go to. That's it. You now have a movie in 2 minutes.